When managing virtual machines in Microsoft Azure, ensuring that they have the necessary compute resources available is crucial for performance and reliability. Azure offers a feature called Capacity Reservations that allows users to pre-allocate a certain amount of compute resources in a specific region. By associating a VM to a Capacity Reservation Group, you ensure that your VM can leverage those reserved resources, which can help mitigate issues related to VM placement and resource availability. Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. I'm Manhar and welcome back to MSFT Webcast. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to associate a VM to a Capacity Reservation Group in Azure. In our last video, we learned what a Capacity Reservation Group is and how to create and manage it. Be sure to check out the link in the description to watch it. A Capacity Reservation Group in Azure allows you to reserve compute capacity for your virtual machines. When you reserve capacity, you are essentially guaranteeing that your VM will have access to the necessary resources such as CPU, memory, and others in a specific availability zone within a region. This is particularly useful for workloads that require specific resource availability, such as large-scale applications, mission-critical services, or workloads with a strict SLAs. You can use capacity reservation groups with both new and existing virtual machines. In the first step, we need to open the Azure portal. Open your preferred web browser, navigate to portal.azure.com, and sign in with your Azure account. Step 1. Associate a new virtual machine to a Capacity Reservation Group. Go to the Azure portal homepage. Under Azure Services, click on Virtual Machines. This will open the Virtual Machines page. Click on Create and then select Virtual Machine. Select the subscription in which you want to create the virtual machine. Choose the resource group you want to use or create a new one. For this example, we will select FreeVM-RG01 resource group to store this virtual machine. Enter the VM name and choose your region. For this example, we are hosting the VM in the East US region. For availability option for this VM, I am going to select no infrastructure redundancy required. Keep in mind that we are creating this virtual machine for testing purposes. Next, we need to select an image for this virtual machine. For this demo, we will select Windows Server 2022 Core Edition. Now choose the VM size based on your requirements. From the list, we will select the free VM size Standard B1S. Set up administrator account credentials to access the VM. First, enter the name of administrator account. Now type and retype the password for the admin account. Make sure the password is at least 12 characters long and meets the complexity requirements. Go back to top and go to the advanced section. Click on Ignore. Scroll down to find the Capacity Reservations section. In the Capacity Reservations drop-down list, select the reservation group you want to associate with the VM. Select our existing Capacity Reservation Group. Click Review plus Create. Wait for the validation to complete. If the validation passes successfully, we are ready to create the virtual machine. In our case, the validation was successful. Review your selections before creating the VM. If everything looks good, click Create to create and associate the VM with the Capacity Reservation Group. It can take anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes to deploy the virtual machine. Wait for the VM deployment to complete. After the deployment is complete, select Go to Resource. The virtual machine has been successfully created and associated with the Capacity Reservation Group. Let's verify the association. Go to the Azure portal homepage. Click on Capacity Reservation Group. Then click on the group name to open it. Go to the Reservation tab. Azure automatically finds the matching capacity reservation in the group and consume a reserved slot. We can verify that one instance is associated with this capacity reservation. One of the 2 allocated instances is currently in use. Let's find out the name of that VM instance. On the left side, expand Settings, then click on Resources. Look at the table to see all the VMs associated with the Capacity Reservation Group. We can see the VM name and the name of the reservation to which the VM is associated. This is how we can associate a new virtual machine to a capacity reservation group. Step 2. Associate an existing virtual machine. To associate an existing VM, create a capacity reservation group and a capacity reservation if necessary, or increase the quantity of an existing capacity reservation to ensure there is an unused reserved capacity. Under Azure Services, click on Virtual Machines. Make sure your existing VM is deallocated. Click on the VM name that you want to associate with the capacity reservation group. If the VM is not deallocated, select Stop at the top of the page to deallocate it. On the left side, expand Settings, then click on Configuration. Scroll down to find the Capacity Reservation section. Currently, this virtual machine is not associated with any capacity reservation group. From the drop-down list, select the reservation group to associate with the VM. Click Apply to save the changes. Wait for the confirmation notification to appear. Successfully updated the VM configurations. Go to the Azure portal homepage. Under Azure Services, click on Capacity Reservation Group. Then click on the group name to open it. Go to the Reservations tab. We can confirm that 2 instances are associated with this capacity reservation. Since FWS-VM01 is currently stopped, we can see that only one of the 2 allocated instances is in use. Click on Resources. We can see the VM names and the name of the reservation to which the VMs are associated. Step 3. How to remove a virtual machine association from a capacity reservation group. There are 2 ways to change an association. Deallocate the virtual machine, change the capacity reservation group property, and start the VM. Update the reserved quantity to 0, then change the capacity reservation group property. For this demo, we'll go with the first option. Go to the Azure portal homepage. Under Azure Services, click on Virtual Machines. Make sure your existing VM is deallocated. Click on the VM name that you want to remove from a capacity reservation. Expand Settings, then click on Configuration. Scroll down to find the Capacity Reservation section. Set the Capacity Reservation Group value to None. Click Apply to save the changes. Wait for the confirmation notification to appear. Successfully updated the VM configurations. That's all for this video on how to associate a virtual machine with a capacity reservation group in Azure. We also covered the steps to remove a virtual machine from a capacity reservation group. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on Microsoft Azure and other Microsoft related topics. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.